Hello, this is Wei. This is our 24-tray induction rice steamer, suitable for central kitchens, canteens, and restaurants. This uses induction heating, which is faster and safer compared to traditional electric heating tubes. Traditional rice steamers use heating tubes that are directly immersed in the water tank. Over time, this can easily lead to scale buildup, rust, electric leakage, or even damage and bursting of the tubes. In contrast, this induction rice steamer has its water tank and heating area completely separated, with no electric heating tubes in the water, making it safer, more durable, and easier to clean. This steamer is also equipped with a ball valve automatic water refill function, so there's no need to manually add water. It refills automatically. Our water tank is made of food-grade stainless steel, which is resistant to rust, does not contaminate the water, ensures clean and hygienic steam, and is suitable for long-term, high-temperature, continuous operation. The 8-level automatic switch allows you to set between 1 and 8 levels, and the full-color English display screen shows both power and electricity consumption. This model can steam up to 24 trays of rice or ingredients at once, easily meeting the dining needs of 1,000 people.